My name is Blake Ulves, and I'm the founder and CEO of Start Your Line. We're based in Los Angeles, California. So Start Your Line started off as a full development agency where we worked with a lot of small e-commerce brands, influencers in developing their new product collections and outsourcing a lot of the manufacturing throughout Southern California. And then we eventually decided to bring that manufacturing in-house. And now we have a full-on production facility of about 25 employees. I think it really started off with when we didn't have any kind of quantifiable data on our delivery dates. When we were manufacturing in-house, there was always this ambiguity when things were going to be ready. As I was having these challenges, I was doing everything that I possibly could to educate myself and research things. And a lot of the information that's out there is very old legacy information. And it wasn't until about a couple years ago that I stumbled upon Aptean shop floor control, learning a little bit more about the information you guys provided on your YouTube videos, and I wanted to learn more. And it just was all uphill from them. Initially, when we started off right out of the gate, the tone was different in our factory floor. It's like, okay, now we mean business. Everybody was showing up. You could hear the machines running at different speeds. You could hear more focus on the factory floor. And that was just a simple thing as just establishing the tablet. And then quickly we started to see a lot of the efficiency gains kind of come with time. What we assumed would take a certain amount of time for one operation actually ended up being another time. And over time, some of the longer stuff we started to see was, oh, maybe if we change the way this moves to this operator or have somebody work on this days before this is ready, then we can kind of keep the pipeline moving. And we can kind of keep the balance between these two locations. We're not overproducing in one and we're not underproducing in another. This type of mindset with my employees was super impactful because then we were able to plug and play, change some levers, turn knobs, and really start to see the results and measure it. So we could see 200 shirts outputted for one day, and then it would be 205, 210, 220. And that was super impactful over the long term for us. It's really fun. Like once you start to see the results and how you're able to move a whole group of people as a team, you get excited, you get empowered, and you want to keep rolling with it.